Hello friends, welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. We're going to make a sculpture today, one that I am going to dupe from one of the high-end stores. I'm using the Dollar Tree wreath. And I will be cutting it somewhere in half, probably more, just to make it stand this way. So yeah, let's begin. We're not going to worry too much about these edges because we are going to make it look like a sculpture, and when we do that, it won't be relevant. This is how it's going to sit up. I'm just going to take an outline over here to rough estimate. This is going to be the stand on which it will eventually sit. That's how it's going to look, with a whole lot of painting and so on and so forth. I'm always finding things, always. That's exactly how it's going to look. Alright, now we can start the bit where we are going to paint. Just going to come back. So you can see I've just cut this up from both sides, and I've applied some of this, your PVA glue, your regular PVA glue. Just put it on the sides here and here, and just to add some extra strength to it, I will be using my glue gun. There you go. And when I am going to use the glue gun, I'm going to place it at a spot and I'm quite sure it can balance well on both sides. You know, last thing you want is to place it and then realize that it's not going to be able to balance. Okay, I give it a few minutes to kind of set. Yeah, that one there is my cat. His name is Sofu, and he refuses to budge, so he's sitting there. Now, next I have added the acrylic, white acrylic paint in here, and I'm going to put in a little bit of baking soda. It's going to give it some texture. Now, mind you, this is not the final look. There will be another look on this as well. There will be another, sorry, spray paint as well on this. This is just to give it texture. There have been some people who've been talking about placing drywall compound, and some people have been talking about gypsum. There, now it's thick. Now we're going to start from right up here. Maybe it might need 2 coats. We'll see after the first one is dried up. Sofu, please get down. I think it'll be quite boring for you to watch the entire process of painting this, so I'll see you once I finish the first coat. So this is how it looks. There's my cat. Still here. actually like it like this. Beautiful. Beautiful texture.